Hola amigos, today we're making salsa taquera. This is one of the most flavorful salsa recipes that you absolutely need to learn to make. First, we begin by roasting our tomatillo, roma tomato, some onion and garlic cloves, and you just want to char them evenly on all sides. Keep a close eye so things don't burn, and the garlic cloves are the first ones to come off the comal because if they burn, they will turn bitter. And then you're going to add the chiles de árbol, and you just want to toast them for a minute or two. And you're going to put everything in the blender, blend until smooth, add salt to your taste, and then we're going to heat up a pan with a little bit of oil, and you're going to fry the salsa for a few minutes just to help it thicken up and to help the vegetables cook thoroughly. You can taste and make sure that it has enough salt, and now you're ready to enjoy with chips or on your favorite tacos or anything you'd like.